If you're comparing Fieldwire versus Knowify for construction billing and job costing, you're in the right place to find out which software might best serve your needs. But the reality is, neither one is perfect, and after testing them both myself, I'll show you some critical details you might want to consider before making your decision. Stick around until the end, because there's one more option that might just change the game for you. First, let's talk about Fieldwire. It's a strong tool when it comes to project management, and it's widely used for construction job site coordination. However, when it comes to construction billing and job costing, it doesn't quite have the depth you might be expecting. Fieldwire is primarily focused on task management and communication, which is great for keeping your team on track, but doesn't offer as much when it comes to financial tracking. Billing in Fieldwire is somewhat manual, and job costing requires a bit more setup, which could make your life harder if you need more detailed financial tracking on the fly. Next, let's jump over to Knowify. This software offers a much more robust billing and job costing system compared to Fieldwire. Knowify shines when it comes to financials because it integrates estimates, change orders, and invoices seamlessly. You can track job costing by phases or categories, giving you more insight into your project's financial health. However, Knowify isn't without its flaws. For one, the interface can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. If you're used to simpler tools, it may take some time to get up to speed. Also, while it offers decent features for job costing, some users find the reporting a bit lacking in granularity. The customer service, while responsive, has received mixed reviews, and if you're dealing with complex jobs or large teams, that could be an issue. The third thing to note is pricing. Fieldwire tends to be more affordable than Knowify, especially if you're just looking for a basic tool to manage tasks and coordination. But if your primary goal is construction billing and job costing, the extra expense for Knowify might be worth it, especially if you're handling multiple projects with varying financial complexities. When it comes to integrations, Fieldwire does a decent job connecting with other tools like Procore and Google Drive. But when it comes to financial integrations, Fieldwire is again somewhat limited. Knowify, on the other hand, has a broader range of financial integrations, including QuickBooks, which is a huge advantage if you're looking for more robust accounting features. Now, here's something that might catch your attention. Despite Fieldwire and Knowify having their strengths, neither offers a truly seamless experience for all construction billing and job costing needs. The features are there, but there are limitations. And if you're like most people searching for a solution, you need something that not only covers billing and costing well, but also grows with your business. After trying both of these software solutions myself, I can confidently say that they're good, but there's a better option available. If your goal is to streamline your construction billing and job costing while avoiding the pain points mentioned with Fieldwire and Knowify, you should check out the alternative linked in the description. Through this link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. You'll get all the tools you need without the headache. Don't miss out on the chance to take your business to the next level. Take advantage of this offer today.